Today we are going to be making a Victoria sponge. Now for this recipe you will need 4 eggs, 225 grams of caster sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 225 grams of self-raising flour, 225 grams of soft butter, 2 8-inch tins, jam, butter and icing sugar to make the buttercream. Now first of all we need to preheat our oven to 180 degrees. We're going to pour the eggs in. Now the caster sugar, baking powder, your self-raising flour, and finally your butter. Now we are going to mix all our ingredients together. So once it's at a nice creamy consistency, we are going to evenly distribute our mixture into these 2 tins. Once you've evenly spread the mixture into 2 cake tins, you'll now need to gently shimmy them to make sure the mixture is spread across the tin, like so. Once you have evenly spread them across the tin, you now need to put them in there for 25 minutes, but make sure you watch them at the end. Once they are cooked, let them cool in their tins for 10 minutes. After that, let them cool for another 10 minutes outside their tins on a wire rack. We are now going to make the buttercream. For the buttercream, you will need 150 grams of icing sugar, 75 grams of butter. Now, we will just simply mix them together like so. It's time to assemble the cake. First of all, you're going to spread the jam on one half of the cake and the buttercream on the other half of the cake and sandwich together.